Welcome to ATM Tanks, Australia's premier service provider for all your tank repair, maintenance, and installation needs. With a reputation built on excellence, ATM Tanks has become the go-to destination for tank liners, repairs, and panel tanks. Our team of experienced engineers, plumbers, and experts ensure that your tank is designed and built to your exact specifications, from conception to completion. As a licensed tank company and builder, we prioritize the protection of your assets and interests, providing peace of mind for our customers. Now, let's explore the key benefits of regular industrial tank inspections. Regular inspections allow for prompt identification of problems, saving time and resources. Ensure compliance with industry regulations and safety standards to avoid legal consequences. Minimize the risk of accidents and safeguard the environment and workers. Optimize your tank system to reduce operational costs and improve overall efficiency. Choose ATM Tanks for all your industrial tank needs. Contact us today to experience excellence in tank services. Don't compromise on quality. Choose ATM Tanks.